So on the front of our NAS unit is where we're actually going to be installing most of our 3.5-inch drives, and they use a fairly standard removable bay for installation. So we'll be screwing those into these. We've got markers here for both 3.5-inch screw holes and also the 2.5-inch ones, which are specifically indicated there as being 2.5-inch. Also on the front, over this side here, we have our power, and we've also got network and drive activity indicators as well. So on the back here, we've got 6 2.5-inch serial ATA bays, which we'll just slot out, and that'll give us a 2.5-inch drive tray that we need to mount our drive in, and then they'll just insert straight back into there. And well, very similar to the 3.5-inch ones. So also on the back here, we have 4 times gigabit Ethernet ports, RJ45, 2 USB 3.1 ports. We have 2 10 gigabit SFP network links here. So that's via a PCI Express expansion card that comes with this particular model of NAS. Then over on the far right, we have our dual redundant power supplies, which is pretty awesome. And again, if they need to be removed, they'll just go right on out like that. And so they are 550 watts each, and they are all replaceable in the event that one dies or something like that. So this is a really, really solid NAS unit that's well equipped for pretty much any mid-tier business needs. This particular one is being used for video editing, hence the ideal availability of multiple tiers of drives, so we can set them up with Q tier and caching and whatnot to speed up their video access while at the same time having those 10 gigabit Ethernet links. Hope you found it useful. Make sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. Ciao for now.